Hey, what's up, guys? It's Navarro, Penny Stocks Club 13. It's Tuesday, September 22nd, 2020, guys. I hope everybody had a great day in the market today. And I hope that you all learned along the way, guys. So, today in this video, I'm going to talk to you about today's day trades, the swing trades that we are holding from yesterday, and a quick look into what's coming up for tomorrow, guys, and the rest of the week. Also, guys, before I get to it, guys, I would like to ask everybody a favor and hit that like and subscribe button, guys. I really appreciate that, guys, and keep this channel relevant. So hopefully, again, everybody had a great day, guys, and we continue to have some more good trades along the way. The market has been on a downtrend. The SPY has been selling off, guys, but there has been some opportunities. There's limited opportunities, but nonetheless, there's always something to trade as long as you know what to look for and how to trade it. So having said that, guys, let's get right to it. First trade of the day today, first day trade of the day today was BOXL, guys. BOXL was a gapper today, and you can see the daily chart here. I already had some technicals here, and of course down here where in pre-market where it was opening up. I'm gonna take it to the 1 day 3 minutes to see what I mean. This is the 1 day 3 minute, guys. Let's do a close-up here at pre-market. So pre-market, guys, I put it up on the members chat, and I let them know, you know what, I got BOXL on a gapper, and it's flagging right now. You can see the flag pattern right here. This is a 1 day 3 minute. I told them, you know what, it got a pre-market high of 181. The flag pattern's high seems to be at 175. It's got support at 160. So I believe within these two candles, I was typing out my trade plan for this one, my day trading plan for this one. And I was telling them all these levels, the 181, the 175, the 160 support. And I see that it broke below VWAP, and I immediately let them know, you know what, I think this is going to be a red to green move. I think we should enter once it bottoms out, and on the way up, catch it between the 160 and 165 level, guys. So that's here, the 160, which is the support, right? It did break below support, and that is fine, guys. So, you know, we got to let it come back up. Once it came back up over, we bought it at 160, actually right before 165, 163, 164, 165, guys. And then it just never looked back until, of course, it topped out. But the entry was right here, right below 165, between the 160 and 165 level. Let's zoom out here. Let's move into it. It made this little flag here, this 9-minute, 10-minute flag pattern. You got the pull, you got the push, then you got the little flag. You got the VWAP crossover here, just a tiny one. I had a profit target of 2. It didn't quite get there, guys. And the technicals are done. If we go here to the 20-day, you can see that there was a lot of resistance at this level right here, 180. I'm sorry, this is the high right here. At the 185 level, you can see those rejections right there. So, you know, it didn't quite make it through, but as you can see right now, guys, you can see that the flag pattern is still in play. You see the flag pattern there. So there's no reason for us not to be holding this one. We day traded it. We took profits at I took profits at 183, 180 today, and then I came back in with a starter position at the end of the day at 165, guys. Right now it's kind of holding that level, pushing back up. So we're hoping that it breaks 185 tomorrow, continues pushing higher, as it's showing signs of reversal right here with this big push. And of course, it needs to break over that 170 level, which is the 50 EMA. Once it does that, I believe it that has the continuation and possible break over 2, possible move all the way up to 250, guys. We'll see what happens. And just one thing that I want to touch on, guys, that if you've been trading recently or you've been trading for a while, there's this typical pattern that is showing up on almost every single stock that has a COVID-19 catalyst or news, or they're a vaccine play. So they've got this big push on those news and then this big sell-off. So we have to be aware that even though it looks nasty, the big sell-off looks nasty. This is just part of that COVID-19 play. In my mind, this really, I mean, of course, it's going to help us see some resistance levels, support levels, but this is what we gotta start understanding, that this is part of the norm with this plays, that you're gonna see this typical pattern play in almost every single one of them. And so that was our trade on BOXL, guys. I just wanted to touch on that. PRTY, guys, was our second day trade of the day. We've traded this one, guys, since the break of two. We've been trading it like crazy, making money back and forth on it. We've made more money today on it. Let me take you to let me show you what's going on here on the daily, guys. I do have my technical here. This is the gap down level at the $3.30 level, which is what I've been telling the team, the members in chat, that's what I wanted it to break. It did break it today, and of course it came back down, but that's what it's been doing, guys. But it's making this upward trend, which has been very strong. As you can see, the volume kind of steady right now. Had good volume today. We're expecting some more volume for it to actually break out and just continue moving to possibly 450 and 5. I believe it has a chance to fill this gap right here, especially with Halloween coming around, guys. Remember, Party City, that's what they're known for. So we'll see if it happens, guys. I do have an entry from the 320 level, guys. It's I did take profits today. Let me explain the trade. So it made this big move, guys. It came back down, got that little VWAP bounce right here, entered at 320, guys. And they were asking me in chat, what's the profit target? What's the resistance? And I told them it's 350. It's 350, and that's exactly where we took profits, at 350. Then I did hold it on my smaller accounts because I was out of day trades, guys, from last week. So I'm holding this one with the understanding that I am trading the upward trend, guys, on the daily. You can see this big upward trend, and now it tested that 330 level, and I'm hoping that it just continues pushing higher, guys. So that's PRTY. That was the second successful day trade. That's pretty much the only two day trades that I took today. Then let's take you to the swing trades from yesterday, guys. HTBX is still holding the flag pattern strongly. I did add to this one, I believe, yesterday. Let me get into a closer look. Again, let me show you what I'm talking about, guys. Here, let me do this for you. So remember what I said on BOXL, guys. It had this big pattern, this big push, then this sell-off. Now BOXL is not a vaccine play, but you can see the similar pattern. Okay, and this is what this one is doing, guys. It's got that little flag pattern. You got the flag. What's going on? You got the pole, and then you got the flag. So this is here because I was playing on this day. This 50 EMA and this 20 EMA. That's why I got those lines there. But if we take them off, guys, here's a quick technical lesson on looking for patterns. So that was support and resistance, right, with the 20 and the 50. Now let's see what the actual pattern looks like. So if we draw a line from here to here, and then from here to here, we got this little wedge pattern, right? So that's a good pattern to have. You got an entry. If you're not in it, you probably can take an entry tomorrow at 145 and take profits at the pattern high, scale some out, and it could probably move all the way up to 160, 170, guys. That's a good return if it breaks out of this little wedge pattern. That'll be your 5% take at 153, or you can just try to hold to 160. That's your 10%. That's your 17%, possibly 180, 24%. Again, scaling out would be a good way to trade this one if it does break out of that pattern. HTBX, guys, still holding it. IBIO, it triggered me out. It's still within the pattern, guys. So it's a similar pattern, guys, and this is another one of those COVID plays, the push. You see the similarities in the pattern. So that's what I'm talking about. This one is trying to reverse as well. Of course, this one did stay down here compared to HTBX, but nonetheless, it's still within this descending triangle. You can see the push, and then you got your consolidation, this lower highs, and then of course this little flat bottom here, this base on the flag. So I'm hoping that tomorrow it can break out of here for a re-entry around or over 240, guys, this time, and a breakout to 280, 290, possibly $3. So that's IBIO, guys, on a nutshell. And sorry about that, guys. And let's move on to the next one. BXRT was another swing trade from yesterday, and we traded this one from here to here, and then I bought it yesterday again with the hope that it was just going to continue after it broke out of this pattern and just continue pushing higher. Can it still do that? Yes, I believe so. It's got this 9 EMA coming in here. Will it happen tomorrow? I don't know. I'm hoping it does. If it does, I'll probably enter at the break of this little two double top here at around 9:30, I would say. Enter it for a possible push to the $10 level or possibly even higher. So that's VXRT, guys. Next, I have what's on watch for tomorrow, guys. I'm gonna go really quick over them. NVUS, guys. It's creating this little fish hook pattern. I already got my technicals here. You can see that resistance at the $1 level, guys. So I'm hoping that it breaks that $1 level and has room all the way to the 120. Here is my other rejection levels that around the 120 level. So now is it gonna get there? I don't know, but if I can get a 5-10% move, I can take up profits at 110, 113, 115. I'll be happy with that, guys. So this would be a possible day trade for tomorrow. We'll see what happens. NVUS. Next, I have NOVN, guys. NOVN had this previous big move, broke over the 180, then it just sold off, came back down, and now, guys, it's starting to look like it wants to reverse. It's trading above the 180 and above all the EMAs that I have here. So now you can see this little flag and wedging pattern with the higher lows right here. And if it does break tomorrow, and you're not in it, you can take an entry from this candle here. At the top of that candle would be around 57 cents. That would be a good entry, guys, for a possible continuation all the way to 70 for about a 20% move, guys. So NOVN, guys, the possibility of a big move might happen, might not, but we trade what we see. We see the pattern, and I got my alerts here. So again, my entry would be at that 57-cent level and a possible breakthrough 60 and a move hopefully anywhere near 70. Now, if it does not get to 70 again, I can start scaling out from my 57-cent entry. I could take profits at around 63, 65, and if that's where it takes me, then I'll take that. So NOVN, guys, on watch for tomorrow for a possible day trade. Last one, guys, IZEA. IZEA had a couple of days with catalysts, and it got rejected at the 125 level yesterday. Today it trickled down lower, guys, but there was good volume here, and I didn't see any big sell-off where it broke this base. The base means basically just support at the 94-95 cent level. So I'm expecting that after it made this big move, that it starts making that little curling action, right? So I got my alert set, and my trade idea for this one, guys, let me take it to the 5-day 15. So my trade idea for this one would be a good entry would be around 115, which is today's high. Now the reason I want to do that, guys, is because if I take an entry at 105, I don't know how big it's gonna move. Today it made this big move. It caught some people going long. They're probably trapped in here, and for all we know, they could start selling in the morning. Then shorts come in and it'll just take it back down, guys. So that's why I'd rather wait for the shorts that started coming in here, the shorts that started coming in here, to start taking or covering if it makes a move over 115. So that's the reason I don't want to trade down here, because I don't want to be caught on that bull trap where it starts making a move because they start covering a little bit, or they just want to trap you in there. You go in thinking it's going to continue moving higher, and then they come in, they slam the bid, and boom, you're caught on a bull trap and you lose money. So that's the reason I like trading with confirmation, guys. Again, I'm a breakout trader. I don't trade dips because of that reason, or I rarely trade dips because of that reason. That's one of the lessons that I've learned the hard way. But nonetheless, if you are a dip buyer, good for you. I am not that kind of trader. So I'll be waiting for confirmation over the 110, 115 level. I just need to be alerted that it is making its way up. If it has a strong enough move, it will cover or fill the gap all the way over here to the 115 level, guys. So that is it for me, guys. Hopefully this is helpful for you and you make some notes and on what's coming for tomorrow, what the swing trades are that I'm holding, and the way we traded BOXL and PRTY, and what we're looking forward for them during the week. Guys, again, please hit the like and subscribe button, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.